Okay, so I got the Morphe palette. Yeah. No, I don't. Do I? Now I got a brush. She got a brush. Another brush. And a bunch of makeup stuff. Now I got to rub the brush in the. Now you have to rub the brush in the makeup palette. And now you put on your eyebrows. Okay. And keep going. Okay. Okay. Now, get another makeup brush. Look in that mirror. I don't know what this is. Some kind of tutorial. I am this woman's son. Okay, so this woman is putting on a brush. There's some kid in the background. Okay, and there we go. And you have to okay, there's a brush. And the kid, I can't really read the goal on. All right, so put that on. Okay. Okay, the brush. Okay, so you gotta get the brush, put all over your eye again and again. And there's a plate on the wall with the kid on it. Like a pumpkin. It looks like a pumpkin. And that is another son of this woman, which is the 4-year-old. Now I gotta look in the mirror. Look at the brush. Read it loud and clearly. And then here are the bunch of makeup things you're gonna use. You're gonna use that one. Alright. Alright. Now brush. Now. Replay freeze mode. Gonna use this type of brush. This type of makeup thingy majigger. I'm using another makeup brush with a different mirror makeup palette. Morphe. Gerard. What is that? Gerard Cosmetic. Now, slightly draw on your face. I don't understand makeup, so I'm only 11. So I'm just a kid. I don't understand the life of makeup. So excuse me for my grammar. But I don't know. Now we're gonna use a brush that I don't know. This type of makeup powder, whatever it's called. And now we're looking in the mirror. Now slightly put it on. What the fuck of a child? Now put on that brush. Oof! Ow! Oh, my knee. I'm sorry, I just fell down from this chair. Now we're going to use that. What? Okay.
That's glue.
Gonna use glue, because we're gonna glue our faces. Put glue on our faces. Okay. Don't poke your eye. Cause don't put glue in your eye because you're gonna glue your eyes shut and then you'll barely see. Okay, it's hot. Is it hot? I think it's hot. We need some air conditioning here. Or either it's burning. Eyelashes. Why do you need some fake eyelashes? I got eyelashes. Okay. No, or spraying brush. Right. Shiny powder. Pink powder. Or something like that. Don't put this on in the hot weather. It'll melt off. Peach powder. Now we're going to put another brush on. Some brush thing to put on your eyelashes. Hey, everybody! That's my mom or something like that. Ow! Something hit me. Lipstick. I'll put on some lipstick because your lips are chapped instead of chapstick. Okay, put on some lipstick. I didn't know you could dye your lips. I thought only hair could get dyed. Now, what is that? Lipstick, another type of lipstick. Oof. Freeze cam. Pause the video to try this out. Now, what is this? Mario? Super Mario? One of my. There we go. And that's the end of the video. Smash that like button. Subscribe if you're new. Check out my YouTube channel.